all kinds of nice flavors in there. It's a simple, very delicious meal. We're going to use 4 chicken thighs, which are boned and skinned for this recipe. I'm going to season with salt and pepper on both sides. We're going to heat some oil in this skillet. You're going to need a skillet with a lid for this recipe. If you don't have one, use a pot, okay? So we're going to add some oil, and we're going to brown all sides. All right, I'm going to remove this chicken to a plate. I'm going to add half of a yellow onion to this, and it's finely chopped, half of a green bell pepper, half of a red bell pepper. I'm going to put a little bit of broth here so we can scrape the brown bits. Just a tiny bit. Oh yeah, yummy flavors there. All right, guys, we are going to cook this for about 5 minutes until the onion and the peppers are softened and translucent. All right, this is ready. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of minced garlic to this, and a tablespoon of tomato paste. We're going to cook this for a few minutes. I'm going to put a bay leaf here in the middle and let it kind of toast a little bit. By now, your garlic and bay leaf should be fragrant. I'm going to add 2 tomatoes, which I chopped. I'm going to let that cook for a few minutes. I'm going to return the chicken with the juices on the plate, okay? I'm going to add half a cup of chopped green olives, 3/4 cups of rice. This is long grain rice, guys. I washed it very well, and then I let it soak for about 20 minutes. And I'm going to add, finally, 3 cups of chicken stock. Guys, we're going to bring this to a boil. We're going to turn down the heat, and we're going to let this simmer for about 20-25 minutes until the rice is all cooked through and the chicken as well, okay? I will cover it. Look at that. Yum! I'm going to take the chicken out and shred it. That chicken is very soft. As you can see, this is wet, and that's okay. I do want you to taste this for salt. For me, it needs a little salt. The chicken stock had salt in it. That's why I didn't salt it before. I wanted to see, I didn't want it to be too salty, but it needs a little more. I'm just going to shred this into big pieces like this with 2 forks. So now we'll just put this back into the pan, and we're just going to mix it in and serve. So we're going to sprinkle a little bit of chopped cilantro on our rice chicken. We're going to serve it with some lime slices and avocado.